Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another quick Flutter tutorial. In the tutorial, we are going to implement a cursor slider in our app. So this cursor slider is animated. Now we are going to learn many things from this tutorial. So let's get started. So as usual, we are in our main function, run app and my app and a material app. So I set home as a home page and my home page have a stateless widget and here is a blank scaffold. So I set the background color of blank scaffold is colors dot like black. Let's restart the app. So now we can see the changes. So let's set an app bar. App bar have a property of a background color. So I set background color as black and title. So title is going to be a text and I set text as carousel slider. Let's put a comma and do some style of text style and a font size of 25 and colors dot white. So we set our app bar. Let's restart the app so we can see a cursor slider and app bar. So let's make a new file of cursor underscore slide dot. So let's go to pubspec.yaml file. Let's paste our package in dependencies section. So the package is cursor slider. Let's pubget and also pubget on terminal. So flutter pubget. So this downloads all the dependencies. Nice. Let's copy the package and a stateless widget. Let's return a cursor slide. Let me put a const over here and in cursor slide let's return a size box of width which is double dot infinity and a child of cursor slider dot builder. So this builder give me three values, three properties like item count and item builder and options. So let's set item count to 10. Let me change the place of this option. Nice. So this option leads to cursor's option. Cursor options have a list and variety of properties. So let's set it to height of 400 and item builder have a context of index. So we got two errors. To solve this error, we have to return a page view index, and there we have written a container of decoration of box decoration and a gradient property and linear gradient. So begin and begin is alignment dot top center and end start from alignment dot bottom left. So in the list of color, so I am choosing a color of colors dot blue and colors dot cyan. Let's restart the app. So we see nothing because we have to return our cursor slide class in home page in a body. So now let's restart the app. So we can see. So let's wrap with the padding widget. So this makes some space between the containers or our sliders. Now let's wrap it with the center widget and restart the app. So you can see our sliders is in the mid of our screen. So let's play with some cursor options. So another option is autoplay, which returns the value in bool. So let's set it to true and viewport fraction is set to 0.60. Let's restart the app so you can see our sliders moving automatically. Nice. So another option is autoplay curve. So a curve dot fast in, fast out, fast in. So it's like an animation, a beautiful animation, like a slider comes in faster and going out at some slower speed. So there is an another option of autoplay animation. Now another property is on large center page which is equal to true. So this property enlarge the center page. Nice. So another property is page snapping, which is also returns a bool value. So let's turn to true. So this property helps into snapping the slider by your mouse. I will provide you this cursor slider package in the description. I hope that you will find this tutorial well. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and let me know what's your queries in the comment sections. So guys, that's for now. I will catch you in the next one.